Is it nice, Mama? Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to. Tingnan nyo, hindi na sila umabot sa kalaban. Dito na lang daw kasi magpipiknik sila dito. Ayan. Open it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Wow!
I wanna choose.
What you gonna choose?
I'm gonna eat this first. I got it.
Oh, yeah, masarap yan yung ramen yun. Okay. Ang dami. Ang dami.
This one.
Ito. What you want? Where's Nana? It's like snacks, like chips and... Ito, ano kayong flavor nito? Masarap. Ito yung gusto ko dito. Yeah, that's Kit Kat. Hoy, you share. It's alright. You share. You should call Nana. Mom, call Nana. Don't. It's not chewy. Is that chewy? Call Nana so Nana can try it.
Nana,
Call Nana.
come here.
You have to remove the plastic first. Here. Sit next to her, Nana. It's some, Mom. There's Kit Kat. You can have this, Mom. Oh. Ano this one? Peach mint na. Hi, Helen. Come here. Have some.
My mom likes chewy.
Chewy? Is it chewy? Ah. Holly, don't swallow if it's chewy, okay? Kit Kat maybe. Is it Kit Kat Mel? What flavor? Anong flavor, Mom? Nice? Kit Kat. Anong flavor niya?
I don't know what flavor it is. Bit lemon.
Mom, it's a chewy because I don't.
Where's the... Masarap daw. Masarap itong ano. Ito yung
I need a spit.
peach mint na Kit Kat.
I need spit.
You wanna spit? Where's the here.
What's this?
Kasi bubblegum yung una niyang nakuha. Chips. It is chewy. But may chewy.
This one.
Don't eat that one because that's chewy, Baba. No.
I'm not swallowing it.
Alright.
This one.
Open that one. Try that one. Yeah. Just try. I'm not sure.
No, I'm gonna drink this one.
Yeah. Ito yung ramen
Japan.
Japan.
This is just as one good.
Okay. You know how? Hoy! It's not open. I told you. You have to open it, Auntie, and then there's nice, nice, Mom.
Mom, this is not chewy.
That's not chewy. Make
You don't swallow it.
don't swallow it.
That's not chewy.
Can you open, Auntie, just hard? It's hard. Sarap, Ma'am. Maalat.
That one.
Itlog. Yung itlog ko akin na. Yung hard-boiled egg ko, hindi ko pa nakain.
Hey, hold. No.
It's hard. It's alright, Nasak. You can drink like that.
Like a...
Chips? Masarap, maalat, Ma'am?
Okay, masarap.
Masarap? You're right, Ma'am. Eto, Ma'am, try mo to.
Okay, darling. How it works.
Yeah, you can drink there. Just drink there.
Yan, tikman mo.
Smells stink.
You smell stink? Sabi ko sa'yo, ito yung talaga. Let me try first. Yum! Let Nana try. Let Nana try. O, diba? Nag-picnic na kami dito. Oh, Holly. And let Auntie Mel try. Masarap. Para siyang yellow corn sa atin. Right, Mom? Parang yellow corn. Ask Tita Mel to have a try. Just try. What do you think?
What soda water?
Yeah. Try, Mom.
Yummy.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, you see this stink, darling.
Ko doon, hindi naman mabaho. Oh. Di ba? Oh.
Parang ano, isda.
Isda ang amoy? Isda daw ang amoy nung binubuksan ni Mama. Ask pa to try.
Hello.
Ano, Ma'am? Isda?
Parang yung isda.
Parang isda? Sarap! Ang sarap nito. Mas masarap sa uwishi. Try that one, Mel. Try that one, Mel.
Hindi po yata ito eh.
That's nice, right? No, this is this is a DIY. You don't do that yet, Baba. Huh? It's mint.
I'll take like two.
Tastes like chewy though. Give it to Nana. Nana likes it.
Oh, you don't like this, darling?
Yun yung dila ni Zach. Let me see. Ang daming bubble gum tong etong box na to. You like it? Let me see your tongue. Green. Nasarapan si Ma'am. Masarap, Ma'am. Yung isa, iba naman masarap. Nasarapan si Ma'am. Halos masarap naman eh. What's that?
This tastes like good.
Tastes good.
Hot dog!
Hot dog. Oh, let Nana try it. Let Nana try it. Sarap. 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 Di ba? Sarap, Ma. Nagustuhan ni Mama. Sarap kasi.
Take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love.
Nagustuhan ni Ma'am yung dalawang KitKat na mint tsaka yan, oh. Yung parang pie. Uwi na sila. So, kami...
Hindi, babalik ako.
Babalik ka? Babalik Sino magdadrive sa'yo?
Si Dad.
Ano?
The doggy.
Ginugulo mo na naman ang
He's
dog.
not angry.
No, he's not.
Where's your dad?
Hey, that dog.
See you to Nana and
Quick, go
Pa.
give Nana a cuddle.
Cuddle, come on. Go, hurry up. Magluluto pala si Nanang rice. Tapos dadalhin niya dito. Binuksan ni Sak yung toolbox sa caravan to. Wala naman laman sa. Yan. Ano yan?
So,
Yeah, it's nothing. Tatanggalin daw nila to. Nasa likod to ng caravan. Nothing there, Baba. Nothing there. Nag-ano kami, nagdi-discuss kami kasi magbe-birthday na si Sak.
You wanna go to the tree house or is that too baby?
Ang sabi niya sa akin, what did you say, Sak? You don't want, what? Family what? Ayaw niya raw ng family party. So, anong party ang gusto mo? Just your friend.
What do you want to do? Have a football party?
So, Auntie Mal is not invited? Huh?
I'm your friend.
Auntie Mal is your friend. So, hindi raw family party, guys. Gusto niya, mga friends niya lang daw dapat.
How many friends are you gonna invite?
How many friends? Huh? 9? Okay, we'll discuss that later. Pero sabi niya, hindi raw family party.
He wants his friends there.
Sinabi ni Mel kay Jace na.
He doesn't want a family party. 7?
that's all.
7. Magsi-7 na si Zach in 2 months. Ang lalaki na nila. Pero hindi raw family party.
Oh, Tina's never mine.
So what's wrong?
When it's like a party, friends have to come.
Yeah, and what are you gonna do for your party? You're just gonna pick the footy?
So what's wrong with the family party?
Is what,
Auntie, because I always have.
You always have a family party. So now you want just your friends. Huh? Oh, so gusto niya yung friends niya lang daw, walang family party. So hindi kami invited, guys. Ha? Where? So, oh, sa camera. Pinakuha ko kasi yung camera kasi naglalaro sila. Ayun ba? Tinatapon nila yung bola then kinuha ng dog. Ayun. Oh! That was a good job. Alis na rin yung parents ni Jason. Yung lolo at lola ni Brad. Dito ako sa car kasi mainit yung loob ng car. Malamig sa labas. Naboboard na raw siya. Ano sa...
I wear shorts.
Huh?
I wear shorts.
You wanna wear shorts? Where's your shorts? Where?
Under this.
Do you have shorts? Buang ka talaga.
Change into short.
Kasi takbo siya ng takbo ngayon. Iniinit. No, you can just take your trackies off here. No one will see you. You don't have to go to the toilet. Go. Pinatong niya pala. Tinanggal niya na rin to kasi nga takbo sila ng takbo ni Holly. Let me see your shorts.
It's from last night.
From last night? Okay. Go. No one will see you. I'm just vlogging your face. Nakubad yung short. Oh, para kang... It's alright.
Go edit that.
Huh?
Go edit.
I'm gonna edit that. Hindi ko alam kung i-edit ko daw. Ayan. O, diba? Okay na. Have a rest. Drink my juice over there, Baba. The V8. You alright? Or water? Hi. Hey, Sugar.
Hi, Mom.
Hello. Are you tired? Nihintay lang namin si Jen. Anong oras na? Alas 4. Alas 4 na.
I'll sleep. I'll sleep.
We're gonna wait for Daddy. Huh? Where are you going? Pakita ko to sa inyo, guys. Ito yung mga kinat ni Dad sa mga newspapers. Ito yung team ni Brad sa basketball. And ito nung pumunta si Brad sa China and siya yung all-star team. Ayan. And then ito this year to.
All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you. Left and right, and then whoa. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks, but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. All I wanna do is feel awesome. I'm in an Uber to your place again. Had a couple fucks, but I lost them. I'm sleepwalking in the dark again. Whatever you got, baby, I want one. And now I'm fighting for the sheets again. Sleeping in your bed like I ain't got one. I just wanna feel like this.
Ayan si Brad, and then si Brad ulit. Si Talana, Brad, and Kuya TJ. Ayan si Kuya TJ, nung nanalo siya, natalo niya ang daddy niya, and yung iba pang mga matatanda. Siya yung the best, yung score among them, nung time na yon. And, horse ni Dad, eto si Dust and Hunter. Football naman to. And another, eto yung horse ni Dad. And eto si Brad. Passion Returns. Ayan si Brad. And ayan ulit si Brad. And ayan ulit si Brad. So halos ang dami ni Brad. Kasi si Brad sobrang galing niya sa basketball. And si Dad, yung nanalo yung kanyang horse. So kanina, tingin siya ng tingin dito. And tinatanong namin, sabi namin, kailan yung sayo? Ayan, o, diba? Dinidikit dyan ni Dad. So, lahat talaga sila sporty sa side ni Jan. And si Jan, ang dami niya rin na mga newspapers na nandun ang mukha niya. And nandun lang, nakatambak sa, meron siyang lalagyan. And then mga trophies. Madami si Jan. Crickets, basketball. Ay, no, walang basketball si Jan. Crickets, footy, golf. Ano pa ba nilalaro ni Jan? Yun lang naalala ko. So, yeah. Nasa na si Sak? Umalis si Sak eh. Si Sak. Okay. Sak, when you gonna get yours? Huh? I don't know. Tinatanong ko siya kung kailan yung kanya. Tawa lang siya. Andito si Uncle Jesh nagpi-fix. And ito yung helper niya. Are you helping? Yes. Tinanggal ni Jace yung ano, yun nga, yung toolbox. Kasi ayaw niya kasi sobrang laki. Kasi binabalik na ulit nila yung paglalagyan ng extra tire. Nag-welding din siya. Nasa na yun? Kanina merong parang nag-welding siya. So dahil tumulong siya, yan daw yung price niya. Hoy, just be careful. Huh. Ikaw na talaga, Sak. I know. Film ko daw siya. Okay.
Yes.
You won't be able to stay up there.
Gusto niya gusto niya din. You cannot reach the top one, Baba. See? Okay. Down, Baba. Go down. Go down.
Uncle Jace.
Go down. Get your teddy. Nandun na naman siya. Si Gagamba Boy to. Gagamba Boy. What's in there, Sak? What's in there? Anong meron dyan?
A doghouse?
A doghouse. Tumawag na si Jan kasi anong oras na? 5:24 na. Tapos na raw sila maglaro. Pero inintay pa nila yung presentation and may pa-barbecue raw doon. Pinapapunta kami. Sabi ko si Ma'am, dito na kami magdi-dinner. So yung mga binalot ko kahapon kila Kristen, hindi namin makakain kasi si Ma'am magluluto raw siya ng pansit bihon. And eto, dito kayo maglalakad kami sa beach. So ayan yung shed ni Dad, nandun lang. So punta kami dito. Malamig. Baba, you're not cold? Sak, careful! First time ko dito. Dito sa areang to. Lapit lang. Careful, Baba. Low tide, Mel. It's low tide. Ay, lamig. Are you alright, Baba? Are you alright? You're not. He's not right. It's cold. Buti lang, dala ko ng scarf. Ay, lamig. Tingnan nyo. Walang tubig. Daming seaweeds. Huh? Well, this is the beach, Baba. Ayan, oh. No water, Mel. No water. Come on, Zach. Parang nasa Korea tayo.
Take a hit, take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. Take a trip, we can get away. Lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is
Ang lamig dito. Yeah, you can bring that one. Yeah. And tell them that you went for a walk here and then that's what you Yeah. That's not man. I cannot Are you still bored, Zach? 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 Are you still bored? No. Ano gagawin mo dyan? What you gonna do with that, Zach? Keep it there. No, you can't. Sumigaw siya. Ano meron? Wow! Frog! There's no frog. Wow! What is it? That frog? Where? Oh yeah, it's a crab! A little crabs! Ooh! Ooh! Maliliit na crabs!
Here he is, look.
Sumigaw si Zach. Akala niya mga bugs.
There he is.
Look at this, Baba. Oh, look. It won't hurt you, Baba. They're little.
They're baby crabs.
Big one.
Put in your... No.
I think that's biting you soft.
No, it's not. It's a baby crab.
No, he's want to find his daddy crab.
You want me to put it on your... Oh, where is it na? Ayan, maliliit. Ay. Pwede ka lang gataan. Madami kaya. Pangalawa na ito. Nasaan na yung isa yun? Dalawa. Yeah, even the lobster.
No, I'm over.
Let's go! Hurry up! Pabalik na kami sa shed ni Dad. Isak natakot dun sa maliliit na crabs. Are you still gonna touch the stones there, Baba? It's alright, we're gonna wash your hands. Hard, okay. Gumagawa siya yung ball na ano ba, sand. Okay? And ayun yung shed. Oh, nandito na sila, Mom. Mom's there, Mel. Oops, natabo na kayo ng scarf ko. So, ito yung mga kalapit na bahay sa shed ni Dad. Yan. And then, yun. Okay. And then, doon pa. Come on. Kiddo, Sak. Hiningal ako. You made it? Yeah. Ah, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's hard. Wait, Holly, wait. Wait, Holly. Wait, there's a car. Stay there. There's a car coming. Okay, let's go. Sak, come on, Sak. Holly, hurry up.
I'm not even more.
Huh? Ang saya niya. Snow, that's not snowball. That's sandball. That's not snow. What? What? Ah, yung may hole daw dito para sa yung spider daw nandyan. The spider's in there? Okay, let's go. Ah, one day again. Ayan na si Ma'am. Meron ka, Ma'am? Ah, nagluto si Ma'am ng sardinas, ha? Ah, ligong ano?
You get Zach jumping?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you see the crab.
Yeah, he said.
Where's the crab?
Where's the crab?
Tennis ball.
Boy, Zach, Pai's asking you. He runs. Nagluto si Ma'am kaya siya umuwi. Ayan yung aming pansit. Bihon and fried rice. Nice. And may plain rice. Wow, yum. Yan, pinapakita ni Dad. Nakita ko na yan, di ba? Pinakita ko na sa inyo. Yes.
Zach will be the next one.
Yeah, next one, Zach. Yes, Zach? Yes. And you? Yes. Huh?
I have to take a picture of her dancing.
Dancing. Pinapakita ni Dad yung sinave ni John na boat. Sinave to ni John, oh. Nandito, pero wala si Jan, hindi nagpa-picture, pero yung pangalan niya nandito. Eto ba, nag-sync yan. So, sinave ni Jan, eto. Yung mag-asawa. Eto siya, oh. Eto yung front page. Ayan yung boat, ganyan yung itsura niya. Nung sinave ni Jan yung mag-asawa. Eto ay nangyari nung, ayan, 2017. So, nandito lang to sa shed ni Dad. Ano dun. Nakalagay doon. Thanks, Dad.
Test me gas. I'll work out which bottle's empty.
And magluluto si Mel ng chicken, burgers, and sausage, right, Mel? Oh, no, sausage. Yeah. Ayan.
Chicken steak.
Ayan, chicken steak and ewan ko ano pang tingnan nyo si Sak, oh. Nandito na yung boat ni Dad. Ito yung amateur boat. Kasi di ba last time, nandito yung mga pots. So, linagay mo na yan ni Dad sa doon sa bahay niya. May shed din kasi siya, di ba? Nasabi ko na yun. So, ngayon, andito na siya. Kasi wala na yung mga pots. Nasa tubig na yan. Tingnan nyo si Sak. Yes! Why? It hurt? That's a scale, Baba. Monkey, 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 monkey. Tingnan nyo. Ganyan lang ginagawa niya dito, oh. Bored ka na naman, Sak? Are you bored? Are you bored? Yeah? Kanina sabi mo hindi na. Is that, Baba? And ayun, ino-on na yung TV. Kasi manunood daw kami ng Married at First Sight. Pero mamaya pa yun. News muna. Ha? Pardon you? Did you burp? Okay. Si Sak nandito naman siya, oh. Did you play basketball, Harsa? With this one? Is this the ball?
Yeah, I gonna play the ball.
No? Oh, careful with that one, Holly. That's sharp. This one. Be careful with that one. And, di ba dati nandito yung, sandali, yung news na nag-aagawan sa sa toilet paper. O yan, oh. Mga tao talaga, nag-aagawan pa rin sa toilet paper. Yun na nga yung sinasabi ko, di ba dati dito yung mga pots, pero nag-fishing na ulit si Johnson, nandun na sa dagat yung mga pots, and binalik na ni Dad yung kanyang amateur boat dito sa shed. And eto, yung mga spare lang yan, pag just in case nawala yung pot sa dagat, mayroong pampalit. What's wrong, Zach? What do you want? Alright, okay. Okay, I'll do it. Ayan, okay na. So, just be careful with this one, ha? Kasi sharp to, ha? Zach. Para ba maging stable yung, basketball. Ito yung court. One is enough. Okay. Try.
Hey Mom, when I was doing this, it went on.
No. Just be careful with that sharp one there, ha? Ipasok ko nga kasi Diyos ko, nakatakot to. China, not Chona. Takot ako dito. Aray ko, Sak. Okay. Ayan, okay na yan. Whoops! Almost! Oh! Huy, what are you doing? Oh, kanina pa siya hugas ng kamay. Mauubusan na si Dad ng tubig. Nagdala si Ma'am ng sardinas. Hindi niya naginisa. Ayan, oh. Tapos naglagay siya ng lemon. Oh, ang bango. And nilabas na ni Mel yung potato salad. Wash your hand. Tapos na siya. You gonna have all of that? Paborito niyang pipino. Yeah, wash your hands first. You already did. Okay. And meron tayong coleslaw. Ayun pa. Pasta salad. Gustong-gusto yan ni Sak with vinegar, right? Remember? This one is... You like with vinegar? Yeah. Hindi niya gusto yung ganito lang. Gusto niya may vinegar. Remember? Pipino. Ayan, nagustuhan niya na. Naghugas na naman siya. Luto na yung chicken. Si Ma'am kasi hindi kumakain si Ma'am ng beef. So inuna mo na yung mga chicken. So luto na yung chicken. Ayan yung sausages. Gutom na raw siya. So bibigyan na siya ni Nana ng pansit bihon. Mauna na yung mga bata. Are you hungry, Sa? Do you wanna eat?
Ito, kaya takpan natin.
What kind of rice?
Fried rice. Ayan na si Sa. Kumakain na siya ng fried rice. You want some... Wait for the sausages, Baba. You're gutom na. Oh, sarap. How about you, Baba? Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Yes, many. Yeah, many times. Ayan kay Holly and magno-noodle siya. Vegetables. What you gonna say to Nana?
Where is the spoon, darling?
What you gonna say to Nana? Did you? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
big.
Okay. More?
Yeah.
More fried rice pa raw siya. Oh. Ayan na yung chicken. Chicken burgers din yun. You want
salad,
salad. You want salad? Chicken barbecue?
You're going to use your hand.
Try daw muna ni Sak.
No, yeah, you have noodles here.
How old are you?
All of this? Okay, you like it?
Yeah, okay.
What?
Salad.
Gutom talaga siya. Nagutom ka na? Are you alright, Baba? You want salad, Sak? Coleslaw, you like that one? And potato salad. Ayaw niya magkutsara.
John's missing out on the protein.
Huh? Are you good, Baba? Chew it properly, okay? That noodle is a bit long. Mahaba yung noodles. Okay. Chew it properly. We have noodles here. May noodles na yung ano mo, buhok mo.
I chew it.
Good girl. Tingnan nyo si Sako, di ba? Parang nasa camping lang Saka. More chicken? Gusto niya pa ng chicken. Masarap yung chicken. Yeah. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, please daw. Akin na.
What you want?
Water, please. Yeah? Chicken burger. You want some?
Dito, pwede ito.
Yeah. Chicken steak. You want to try this one? Chicken burger. Just a little bit first.
That's rainbow.
Pag nagba-barbecue kami, laging may chicken kasi si ma'am hindi nga kumakain ng beef. So kay ma'am to.
No chicken, dami chicken.
Oo nga. Just bite it. It smells good? That's good. Okay. Bite. Hot. Sarap? Nice. Masarap, ma'am. Sarap. Si Sak, naghihintay siya. Tapos na siyang kumain ng kanin, ay ng fried rice. Ang hinihintay niya yung sausages. And ayan, may steak. Luto na rin yung steak. Ayan, kain na kami ni ma'am kasi ito yung gusto namin, sardinas. Sardinas. Ito yung plato ko. Sarap. Kain muna kami, guys. Kuha na siya ng sausage. Ayan na si Sak, oh. Kumuha na siya ng sausage. And mag-slice bread siya. You alright, Zach? It's hot. And kami ni ma'am, eto na. Meron akong plain rice, fried rice, pansit, sardinas, and fried rice. And si Holly still going. Baba, eat, Baba.
Sauce?
Ma'am, your chicken, ma'am. Ito yung chicken. Masarap. Kuya Zach? Dad is not coming yet. They're gonna eat in the golf club. Lahat na kami kumakain kasi luto na lahat. Uncle Jace, ayaw niya raw ng salad.
What? Have you got one Zach eating the sausage?
Yeah.
Aussie sausage?
Aussie. Si Uncle Jace gusto niya ito.
Can I get this out?
Ayaw niya raw niya, no? Walang gumagalaw. Si Auntie Mel lang ang gagalaw niyan. Ayun sa kanya.
Is it good, mate?
And si Dad.
Shelton's sausage.
Sausage, Baba?
Salad.
In the bread.
The bread.
Oh, gaya-gaya siya.
Zach's having.
That's hot.
Gusto niya pa with sauce.
Yeah,
So, lahat na kayo kumakain, guys.
putting the rice in there.
What are you doing, Baba?
That just one bite
What's
of
that?
melt in your mouth.
I like Chona's chicken.
Like Chona's Kitchen. Naalala niyo yung nag-Korean kami? Nilalagay niya sa lettuce yung kanin. Ay, yung fried rice.
Sister, that's not.
That's enough? That's enough? Okay, eat.
Too much.
Korean.
Yeah. Tapos na kaming kumain. And si John, andito na and tumakbo na si Holly doon sa labas. How did you go, Kuya? You win. You didn't win. It's all right.
What have you got?
What you got? Snake? Oh no! Go get it. Hurry up. Okay. Hey, Naki. No, it's all right, Mom. It's all right. How are you, Kuya?
If I saw that Spider-Man guy,
I only had 3.
Did you have dinner?
Guys,
Alright, nag-dinner na sila.
who's the Spider-Man one?
Sweetie.
Titingnan ni Jan yung ano, caravan. Yes, I did. Titingnan niya yung ano, caravan. Malulobat na ako. Akin na.
It goes back there too.
Holly? Parang ikaw may-ari nito, Holly, ha? It's like you're the owner, Holly.
So it's not a pop top. She's
Nah. Oh, she's
Your
got her
head's
on.
nearly touching the road.
so she's
No, if he's got his thongs on,
Tingnan
he's
mo.
alright. But if he's got his work boots on,
Ang tangkad niya, oh. Masakit yung kanyang mga kasukaso.
yeah, that's nice.
Nice, right, Yung bed pala, na-extend yun, guys. Napapahaba pa.
Ladies, what are you
Yan na
doing?
yung mga lights. Nakaw na yung
That's
lights.
better, right?
yeah, it's comfy. And then it's got like you
The
can
bed is comfy, hon.
change into blue. And there's all
Wow.
black under here.
Parang nasa ano tayo,
Oh, Joe's got to put that
tawag niyan? Limousine. Nag-change yung color daw ng mga lights.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
Ando.
Had a rug there.
Ever.
Bossy ka dyan, ha? Gusto niya raw ng rug. Ayun. Nilagyan siya ni Zaki. Good night!
I am so tired.
Wow! What? Nalobat ako, eh, nasa labas na sila dyan. Si Holly, ayan, nanunod pa dyan. Nandun na sila.
Did you not bring it down?
So, i-close ko na tong vlog. Let's close the vlog, Baba. I-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next.
Cookie.
No, this is not cooking. Next vlog. Bye, guys. Thank
Bye,
you.
guys.
Say thank you.
Please like, please subscribe. I'll see you next vlog.
Okay, bye. Mwah. Good night, guys. Say good night, Kuya. Good night.
Tell me who you seek.